eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me...
Welcome back, guys, to some more Camp Geek Squad. In today's video, we'll be doing Angel with a Shotgun, Lucifer edition. Now, some of you might be wondering, where is the Percy Jackson series that I've been doing, my Dreamcast for Percy Jackson? Well, it's coming back next week for part 3, so be sure to come back for that. And I want to thank you guys so much, because I believe it was part 1, got 1,000 views. No, it was part 2, has got 1,000 views, so thank you guys so much. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for the 1,000 not subscribers, but views. And it was part 1, I was wrong. Part 2's got 199. So let's see if we can get that to say, let's say 250, 300 by next week. And last week's video has only got 29, which is still amazing, so thank you. But let's see if we can get it to say between 40 and 50 views by next week. That would be fabulous. Now, over the next few weeks, we're going to be talking about Batman, Lucifer, Doctor Who, Percy Jackson, all that type of things. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. We've had enough delay.
Have you seen the face of the devil?
Every morning in the mirror.
Exactly. He's in all of us. In our every moment of weakness, sin, the lust. It is the devil's touch.
Don't give me credit for all that. You humans do plenty all on your own.
Why don't you move your shtick along? Okay, I'm not sharing my tips with you if that's what you're angling for.
Right, is this a performance? So you were at the tube actor in the Spider-Man down the street. I have to say, you're very good.
So we should go bother them. You're bad for my business.
Isn't finished with you yet. See, what I hate more than anything is a liar. Someone who doesn't believe in what they say.
So what are you doing about it?
I make you a believer. Yes.
Just to keep you safe, don't you know you're everything I have? And I wanna live, not just survive tonight. Sometimes to win, you've got to sit. Don't mean I'm not a believer. And Major Tom will sing along. Yeah, they still say I'm a dreamer. They say before you start a war, you better know what you're fighting for. Well, baby, you are all that I adore. If love is what you need, a soldier I will be. I'm an angel with a shotgun, fighting till the war's won. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'll throw away my faith, babe, just to keep you safe. Don't you know you're everything I have? And I wanna live, not just survive tonight. Till the war's won, I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'm an angel with a shotgun, fighting till the war's won. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'll throw away my faith, babe, just to keep you safe. Don't you know you're everything I have? And
Hey, your research ammunition. Inadequate.
gonna hide my way tonight. Before you start a war, you better know what you're fighting for. Well, baby, you are all that I adore. If love is what you need, a soldier I will be. Shall die with my heart on a trigger. They say before you start a war, you better know what you're fighting for. Well, baby, you are all that I adore. If love is what you need, a soldier I will be. I'm an angel with a shotgun, fighting till the war's won. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'll throw away my faith, babe, just to keep you safe. Don't you know you're everything I have? And I wanna live, not just survive tonight. Sometimes to win, you've got to sin. Don't mean I'm not a believer. And Major Tom will sing along. Yeah, they still say I'm a dreamer.
I'm so sorry that how I acted when I first saw your face. It was stupid and so go. I love you. I love you. Please don't leave.
You'd rather have something else in the promise. My first love was Emily. It was you, Chloe. It always has been.
Till the war's won, I don't care if heaven won't take me back.